Hello, everyone. Before we upload and get right to it, in episode 6, I want to address not uploading Monday. I apologize. But I also want to thank you all for the love and support you guys have been showing. I appreciate it very much. But moving forward, upload schedule will be changing from Monday, Wednesday, Friday to Wednesday, Friday, as I will have to begin school, which will be fun, you know. Um, in episode 6, you guys will see a huge upgrade. There's also going to be 2 sim games at the very beginning we won't be playing. I hope you guys enjoy watching that process. I break down why I'm making certain decisions, re-signing, and this, that, and the third. Hope you guys enjoy that. The 2 games you guys will see me play will be against the Atlanta Falcons and the Seattle Seahawks. Shout out to my man Wyatt. We're coming down to the home stretch here. You know, last back end of the season. Every win matters, bro. Every game matters. We got to get a win. Hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, look forward to seeing you out in the comments.
Show me something good. Alright, we've advanced a week. Let's go ahead and see how we did our last game. 5 head. Let's see. 27-9. Okay. Let's see. Jared Goff. 315. 2-1. Okay, it's fine. Rushing. 1847. Not terrible, not great either. 5 for 9. That's rough. Receiving. Let's see. Ooh. Charlie. 2 touchdowns? Oh, you a bad man. Last 7 sacks we gave up. Taylor Decker, come on, bro. Killing me. But I thought I said Andre Johnson for a second, bro. I was gonna say, what the fuck? But Alexander Johnson, okay, good for you. Anzalone. Anything else? Nothing else to write home about. Let's go on and get the game plan ready for this next game. Let's go ahead and get the sim in. Cardinals. Weekly game plan is pretty simple. Keep Kyler Murray in the pocket. Back arrow bullshit. Shout out Wyatt is what we don't want to happen. Contain Kyler Murray. No back arrow bullshit. JJ Watt, not worried about that. We're going to do throw middle. That's the best one you can do, really. Let's see what we have some upgrades for. Cephas. My mans. Come on. Give us speed. That's good enough, though. That's fine. We're good. Let's go ahead and advance a week. Let's go, baby. What? 42-20. Boy. I gotta see those stats. Wait a minute. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see the stats. Jared Goff, 359? 3-2? I don't like the picks, but guess what? Touchdowns are better. Rushing? Swift? Bro, we gotta get you going. 1858, but 2 touchdowns? We'll take it. Jamal. How about defensive? Bro, this man Charlie's a dog. I don't know what overall he is, but I gotta see. He a dog. Any sacks given up? Decker again. Come on, bro. Who got the quarterback? Come on. Romeo Aguirre. Nothing else really record. Nothing really crazy happened in those games. But okay. 2 straight, baby. What does that put us at? 8-6? Oh, 8-6. That guarantees us a positive record with 2 weeks to go. Oh, 3. Sorry. Correct me. Let's see what our breakout player is. Who is it? Max? Oh, baby. Mad Max? I'm playing this one too, so I'm even more excited. Oh, I'm even more excited. Okay. Let's see. What's the game plan? Of course they throw well short. Everybody does. Okay. Let's do that. We're going to throw short too, ironically. 5 head. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Let's see who has an upgrade. Oh, Decker. Bro, you've been sucking wind all, like, the last, 3 weeks, Decker. I'm disappointed. That's fine. We'll take that. Tracy? Okay, my boy. Hybrid, of course. Gotta be versatile to play in this defense. Anybody else? Big name? Okay. Frank Ragnow. Let's go, Power. Let's go, Frank. Big Frank. Good shit. Will Harris. Okay. Hybrid, of course. Gotta be versatile. Oh, speed. What's the speed now? Ooh, 91. Okay. Alright, I like what I'm seeing. Sewell. Ooh, come on, Sewell. Pass, bro. That's something. You're on an island by yourself out there. Right tackle. Everybody else I don't care for, so we're going to automatically do those. I had to go back in because I hit the wrong button. Boom. Done with those. Returning from injury. Crosby. Let's go, baby. You know, I'll see you guys in Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Let's go.
Down situation forthcoming. Let's get into the action. On third down,
good spin,
Ryan.
Come on. What's a pick? Oh, baby.
And I think that one might have been it.
All right, offensive first driver driven down.
In this first
Down the
quarter
red
of
zone.
action, but we have the offense in the red zone as they've got it here 1st and 10.
Come on, Charlie. Come on, baby.
Now this one to his tight end out on the right side.
Right there.
And the Lions are going to have him short of the yellow line. They'll try it now with Swift. And I don't think he got in. He didn't. He stoned at the 1-yard line.
Okay, look at that. We're back in the red zone.
They
Come on,
just
bro. We need
got the
them to.
ball off the interception. Now can this offense take advantage? Great field position, 1st and 10 in the red zone. And they go the wrong way here. Down.
Come on, fellas. Come
Lions on
on.
3rd down. 2 for 5 to this point. This is 3rd and 11.
Should be a touchdown, right? Let's go.
And he's caught. Touchdown, Detroit.
Oh, yeah!
Tough task. Ball inside the red zone.
Double slants. Hopefully we can get one. But we got
Goff
man.
wants to throw on 3rd and 1.
That's smart.
Flush to his right.
Good catch,
And
Charlie.
he's got his
Go
big
low.
tight end here. 2nd and right at
We
a
gotta block
yard.
him. Look at that. He's got stuff out. We gotta block him. Watch him. Oh my
On
goodness.
2nd
Good block.
down,
Good
Swift.
block. He
And
was
he's
the
able to
man.
get it down to the 2-yard line.
Gotta bring him the big
Handed it
bodies.
to their guy who could run it,
Come on,
created
Williams.
some space, and he got there.
Come on, Williams. Get there. Get there. Get
Williams.
there. Come on. Oh, look at the seal.
And he's going to take it in for
Oh, yeah!
Get down in the 3rd quarter in this defense.
It's 3rd and 4th, 20 yard line. Let's see.
into
We'll figure out this man real quick with this.
Goff throwing again. Dancing to his
Come
left.
on, Jared. Come on, Jared.
And
Let's
they
go.
have it in the red zone.
Down, he located his tight end, made it a nice, easy pitch and
Of
catch.
course they
Hoping he
ran.
could
Come
break a tackle or two. Wasn't able to do
65
that there, but still
the
good
linebacker.
yardage.
Good block. First down. Let's go.
And he'll be brought to ground now as he has been terrific here this afternoon.
I think if I did this correctly, I believe I will have Swift block.
There's Goff.
Or not. Okay.
Escaping the pressure right.
Actually, yeah. Oh, he stole that man's
It's
touchdown.
caught from a 3rd down situation.
That was a heck of an effort.
In this
They're
defense,
blitzing based on
hoping
the
to turn
safety
that
being
3rd
stacked
down into 4th.
behind the slot corner on the left. I believe the other safety is just playing man on 43.
Throwing on 3rd. Goff. Open man is Hanson. Oh, he's got a little daylight.
Come on, Hanson.
They have to be satisfied
just
with
touched
it
down.
throughout this game.
Easy.
They've been satisfied with what he's given
Pretty
them.
much stretched.
Whenever
I think
they
we have
needed a
numbers
big
if I
run,
motion
a
pick
first
over.
down,
If no one
he's
follows,
the guy
yeah,
they
we got
turn
numbers.
to. And
I
it
get to
doesn't
the edge
matter
now.
what the defense thinks.
Sit there.
They've got the
We had
confidence to
numbers,
keep
but
handing it
Pittman
to
didn't
him
block
and
me.
keep picking up good yardage.
And he'll be stopped up after all.
You love to see
And
them.
the ball smacked
Three-dead
down on
line
the
in front, on the
5-yard
inside
line.
zone.
Here's
Team,
2nd and goal.
you know, it's 6 on 3. That's 2-2. That's 2-2-2. So come on, baby.
Goff a handoff here
Oh.
to Swift. And he's going to press this one.
Let's see if we can go ahead and get him in.
That was a heck of an effort.
Eluding the pressure right. And that is caught. Touchdown, Detroit.
Ooh, we talk about a dominant win, man. That's what we really needed right there. We're heading up to face the Seattle Seahawks. All right, bro. Russell Wilson, the boys.
I got
always
jokes.
come
Yeah,
prepared
my eyes
for
look
a
shut, but they're open.
dogfight.
Stop playing with me.
We got to meet them. hopefully we're claw out a victory. Hopefully, I think we should be able to. Mad Max's upgrade is huge, man. It's why I traded for him. I knew he had that potential. I'm so proud and happy, man. Look forward to the future. Look forward to seeing you guys at the link.
Hello, Russ. Let's see who's coming in. Let's see who's coming back from injury. Ooh, that's huge. Hawkinson. Oh, that's going to be fun. Him and Adams are going to be a match to watch. Weekly awards. Who is it? Look at you, Mad Max. So inspirational. And Jared Goff? Ooh. Look at that, bro. Young stars on this team showing out. Green Bay is 7-8. We're 9-6. I think we might just clinch the division this week, fellas. We might. Let's see who we face. The 49ers. Kinda. Alright. That's fun. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go to the presser. We're going to be confident. Russ is always dangerous in everything he does. We got to beat him. Let's see. Nobody I remember that needs a contract extension. I don't really care for him right now. Let's go ahead and do the weekly strategy. Got to contain Russ. Got to keep him in the pocket. Backyard bullshit, as Wyatt likes to say. Got to contain him. If you don't know who Wyatt is, his YouTube name is the Kryptonian YT. He does Pokemon content. If you guys have time, I recommend heading over there. Great content. You guys enjoy it. They don't blitz a lot. I feel like medium-wise, I'll be able to attack. Hopefully. Also, if you've enjoyed this series, I think there's another YouTuber you guys might enjoy. His name is XRev. I'll be leaving a link down to his channel as well as the Kryptonians in the description. So go ahead, give them a follow. Check them out. They have great content as well as I do. So be sure to give them a look. Let's go ahead and head up the Century Link. See you guys there.
Test to check in on this. We've got a third down situation looming.
Opponents. Area. 29, 3rd and 4. And something good here.
Goff now looking to throw. Flushed out
I got
right.
X. It's coming. Good catch.
Oh, yeah!
And in for the Lions touchdown.
That was just way too easy for us.
Just
The
inside
boys,
the
they
10.
drove down here with no problem. Come on, we need to get a stop here, fellas.
Now Wilson.
Someone's gonna throw it right behind us. Good job, Mad
Under
Max.
pressure now, and he's going to go down.
Surprise this close to the goal line.
That could have been so
Ordinarily,
bad.
you use the back end of the end zone, the sidelines as extra defenders, and you want bigger people on the field.
That was a heck of an effort.
End zone for the Seahawks touchdown. And
Nick
now
Schultz, I
early on in
think
this one, we
probably
get a
moving
first
to
look
I think the
at
safety
this
summons
offense.
Adams. If so, you throw into the blitz, which I'll be hitting A.
Now a first down throw. Gone.
Look at the throw.
And he's got his man in stride. Complete.
I
Nice conversation with the defensive coordinator, didn't we?
Can't get Russ to go to tight end.
I like what we did, but we definitely need.
Hey, don't wait for him to catch it. Run through his ass.
Pass broken up. The action, the
Burrow
situation,
second.
ball in the
Here on
red zone.
defense.
It's second
Yeah,
down,
get a stop
and the
here, fellas.
defense needing to step up.
Okay, I get a stop. Come on. I'll hold him through.
From the 17, Wilson.
Just want to dot the body, isn't it?
That's complete to Disley, the tight end.
Frame right there to absorb a really big hit on him
I
and
lied.
held on to
I
the
lied.
ball.
That was my zone. Oh, that's on me. See, I've got too much momentum. We're in that area where you're too close to punt. Too far to do anything really.
Here we go on fourth. Gone.
Shit, that's too easy. That's like a penis
Swift's
lead.
got the first down and then some. And he takes.
We're in the red zone.
So it's 3rd and 6
might
for
be
this
the main look. I
offense.
think
Good
it's
news
main.
is they're in the red
I'm not
zone.
running.
Obviously, the bad news, they need 6 yards here on 3rd down. On 3rd down, here
Let's
comes
go. Good
Swift.
run.
And he's in
Situation, but my goodness, think about running the ball here. Not even a thought, is it?
Defensively, they're in a prime spot.
And I think the defensive guys are probably expressing themselves to them.
Coming
Great
up
job
here,
of
this
the defense
defense looking for a 3rd down stop in the second quarter.
This is a pretty heavy look right now. They came out in the 6th one, which is predominantly the people use in much like a run because we were able to block Bobby. Come on, fellas.
They'll try and run here with
Good
Swift.
block on Bobby, bro. Great block, great block.
And he is tackled inside the 40, not quite to the 30.
Made our way into the red zone.
As we drop you into the action, it's second down, second and 5. Inside the red zone.
Come on. Our man indicator will be Hopkinson.
Looking to throw again on second down. Goff. And that's out to the flat for Swift. And the Lions are going to be set up with a first and goal.
That could have been very bad.
Guys on defense.
They're placing
Diagnosing the jet sweep and putting it down.
I'm going to keep the running back in. Cephas running this route. Thank you. The Seattle has like an ability on their field that like confuses people.
On second and goal.
And like it was really messing with Cephas.
He's got it. And in for the Lions touchdown.
Huge
Second
stop
quarter,
by the
this defense looking for a big third down
ball
stop
back.
here. They're already down on the scoreboard, just trying to get the ball back to their offense. They'll drop this one off to Swift
There defensively, a great time to dial up the blitz.
and give him credit under center instead of throwing it away. Actually, a pretty good job of getting past the line of scrimmage, not losing yardage.
Like I said, too much space.
Oh, yeah!
1.5
So a
time
big
with
third down coming up here for the defense,
Seattle
trying
come
to
out and they
preserve
hit us in
a
the mouth.
very
A minute
slim
left in the
lead
quarter.
in the
Only up
third
3.
quarter.
And they got the ball. Come on, man. You
On
stop.
third down, Wilson.
Stop. Good hit.
And he'll be hit as he releases it. And that'll fall completion, and it'll be third down.
Seattle, I guess, drove down previously. We gotta get this over. Come on.
On third down,
Drop 77.
Swift.
Isn't that block right there, bro?
And he picks up the...
He's not hurried. He's not hit. And somehow, incomplete?
Yeah.
What happened?
During
You got this,
film
baby.
stuff. And he
Let's go,
takes
Bobby.
this one in
Just
for
beat
the
up.
Lions touchdown.
Come on, Mad Max. You get home here. Running back's tired. He ain't like sure what threat. Come on, Mad Max. Sorry,
Here
Dwayne
we
Brown.
go. It's
Go for you,
Wilson
buddy.
on fourth down.
Oh my goodness, go get him.
That's going to be complete
Make
to
it
his
back.
tight end Everett. And he's going to be
29.
down inside the
Throw is not for every quarterback because you've really got to drive the ball downfield. It's going to be a tight window for him to fit that one into.
Oh no.
In this
That's not
case,
bad.
unsuccessful.
Oh, God, no.
fourth down. Here's Wilson. Touchdown, Seattle. Playmakers to take control of this game as
I
we
like
get
this one.
down
We're going to
toward
motion
the
over
end.
Hawkinson if the guy doesn't follow. Okay. Safety came down. Simple fix. Just motion him back. Okay. We have numbers if you get this right. Oh,
Right
come on,
back
baby.
to Swift
Run
again
this.
on
Come
second
on.
down.
Get out of the way. Come on, baby. Let's go.
And they'll
We
get
go
him
sticks.
down as he's in.
Good one.
We cannot give Russ back the ball.
They'll need him to continue to be
He's not the
productive in
ball.
both the
Basically
run
signing
and
him.
passing game
I want
in
for
order for them to
overtime
try
or
and snatch
loss.
victory.
On first and 10, it's Swift.
Good shit.
And he's going to get this inside the 30. 1 yard
I
there.
want to put it in the air, but I don't trust Goff. I don't trust Goff. I don't. We gotta run this track play, don't we, man? I don't trust Goff. I don't trust Goff enough for him to be Hawkinson over. Hopefully, okay, lightens the box a little bit for us. We're gonna re-identify. Identify the Micah spot. Come on, let's get the snap off.
On third down.
Good block. Let's go.
And he'll have the first down. So now one of the biggest kicks of the night is forthcoming. This to take the lead here in the final
I
minute.
couldn't see the time before I come out.
And his kick is good. And
Oh boy, what can I say right there? Oh, Seattle is always a fun game, a true nail biter. Really proud of my team's performance, especially because we went to halftime. We were tied. No, we weren't tied. Actually, we were winning by 10, and Seattle came back and punched us in the mouth, man. They got it all the way to a tie. It didn't offensively. We were able to drive down the field and get that field goal to win it. Early in the year, we wouldn't have done that. Early in the year, we would have folded. We would have folded. I'm glad that we showed some fight. I'm really proud of this team. I look forward to seeing Jared Goff maturation moving forward. As always, thanks everybody for tuning into this video. See you guys down in the comments. Stay safe.